Hi, this is Corin from Scalar Apps. I'm going to show you how to upload redirects to your Shopify store using the Redirect Pro app, and also how to navigate some of the common errors that we run into when creating and uploading redirects. So to start from your Shopify admin, go to the app and then go to the URL redirects page and click Upload Redirects. Now, there's instructions here you can follow, and we have much more detailed instructions here along with an example, and this is the example we're going to use for this video. So firstly, your spreadsheet file needs to have column headers. So the first column needs to have a header of redirect from written exactly like this, which you can copy and paste from the guide, and the second column needs to have a column header of redirect to written exactly like this. So all the broken links that you want to redirect visitors away from should be in this redirect from column. Now these should be written as relative URLs, which means everything after after the domain name, including the first forward slash. Anything that goes in the redirect to column, these can be relative URLs if you're redirecting traffic to a different page on your primary domain, but they should be the full URL, which contains the HTTPS and the www dot if you're redirecting to a subdomain, a secondary domain, or a different website entirely. Next step is to save your spreadsheet when you've finished and you've made sure that every row has both a redirect from and a redirect to URL. Save it as a .csv file, a comma separated values file. That's really, really important. Then you can come back to the app and you can click Upload Redirects, find your file. I'm using the same file from that example I showed you just a second ago. Then click Upload, refresh the table, and we can see my file's been uploaded here. We can see how many redirects were successfully added to my store, and we can see how many failed. So as I only uploaded one, it was successful. So we can click the file name now to view details. As before, here's all the successful ones that are added and its status in your store. So if it's active, this redirect is live in your store. Whereas if it's not active, then it's been deleted. In the failed tab, this is where you would see which redirects couldn't be uploaded by the app and a reason why. So if I try and upload the exact same file, just to show some common errors. So I tried to upload a redirect, which we know already exists in the app, and which can be seen anyway if we view the URL redirects page, for instance. As we can see, it was uploaded successfully. I've uploaded that file a second time, and now we can see it's failed. The only redirect that was in it has failed. So we can click in and view the details. We can see the error that Shopify has given is that the path has already been taken. What that means is a redirect already exists in your store for the redirect from URL. So you need to go find it in the URL redirects page here, and then you can either edit it or delete it, and then you can upload your new version. Or, as I said, you can just edit it with the new link. Another common error that people get that will come up in the failed log is can't redirect to another redirect. So that means you can't redirect a link to another link which is already being redirected. So I couldn't redirect a link to this link here, for instance, because it's being redirected. And we should always make sure that the link it's being redirected to is an active page. You can also view our guide here, which shows a few more common errors and how to fix them when uploading redirects. We also have more guides in our Help Center for uploading, as well as the step-by-step guide and example I've already shown you. The links for all of the guides and relevant videos will be in the description of this video. And you can always reach out to us by using the pink question mark button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen here.